What's happening? Today, we have a picanha. We're gonna season it up and we're gonna smoke it. Let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna get started by drying it off. It just came out of its package, so it's got a lot of juices and whatnot on it. We're gonna dry that off. Get our cutting board cleaned up a little bit. All right, now that we have it dried off, we're gonna start on the fat cap side. We're just gonna score this fat cap. All right, once you're happy with your scoring, get you some oil. Rub that in. We're gonna need it again, so I'm just gonna sit it there. Today, we're gonna be using prime beef from Pit Boss. Let's go ahead and season this thing up. On the meat side, I like to add a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. The fat cap is going down first on the smoker. So this will sit on top and it'll all glaze up and get on there real nice, and then we'll flip it over and see this side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get our meter plus inserted. Do it just like that. Now that we got our meter probe in, let's go ahead and get it set up for our cook, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our picanha on the smoker. We got our smoker set to 250 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and get our picanha in. We're gonna put it fat cap side down. All right, it's got 15 minutes left. We're gonna go ahead and open up the sear plate, flip it over. We're gonna let it get a good sear on that side as well. Let her sleep. All right, it's been an hour. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. Oh, look at all the juice it released. Get our meter probe out of there. We're gonna need a glove. Always glove up. Get this close. Let's try not to get no juices everywhere. Look at that thing. Goodness. Oh my Lord, I got juices everywhere. Somebody help me. That's why I need an assistant. Can't be tasked with such mediocre things, such as wiping that. No, I'm just kidding. Whew, look at that bad boy. That thing right there, boy. She been resting. Oh, it smells amazing. We'll put fat cap down. Let's go ahead and slice her. Got a hell of a smoke ring. Cutting it like brisket, I guess. Look at that thing. Oh yeah. That looks amazing. I'm gonna get a piece of this little piece off the end down here. Let's cut us a piece off. See what she's talking about. Look at that. It looks amazing. That is crazy. What a fantastic cut of meat. I had no idea. This is the first ones I've ever done, and I will by far do many more.